In the name of Allah, the Merciful, the Beneficent, welcome to my channel, School Dialogue. The bell is ringing, class is about to start. The school bus reached, we should go inside. Let's hurry up. The teacher entered the classroom and said, "Good morning, everyone." "Good morning, ma'am." "Ma'am, how are you today, students?" "We are fine, thank you." "I'm happy to hear that. It's so great to see you again." "May I open the window, teacher?" "Certainly, it's very hot in the classroom." "Come in, students. Good morning." "I'm sorry I'm late. May I come in?" "Yes, please. You may go to your place." "Okay, student, let's start the class." "Who can tell me what day is today? Please raise your hand." "Emma, stand up." "It's Monday." "Very good. Sit down. Now, who will tell me what date is today?" "It's January 23, teacher." "Speak loud, please. I can't hear." "It's January 23. "Okay, that's right. Did you do your homework?" "Yes." "Great. Please open your books to page 20. Let's read a text." "Teacher, may I ask you a question?" "Yes, please." "What does this word mean?" "Listen and repeat after me. Environment." "I don't understand. Can you repeat, please?" "How do you spell, please?" "Environment." "Now, please write down." "Excuse me, teacher. I don't have a pen." "May I borrow with my classmates?" "Yes, you may." "Cat, please come to the blackboard." "Please write the days of the week on the blackboard." Cat started right. Teacher said, "Well done, you may go back to your place." Suddenly, students started laughing and talking, and teacher scolded them. "Please be quiet, stop talking, and pay attention." "What happened now? What was the noise?" "I'm sorry, teacher. I dropped my pencil case." "It's okay. Please pick it up." "Who wants to clean the blackboard?" Cat said. "Ma'am, I do." And Cat cleaned it. "It's break time. Goodbye, students." "Goodbye, teacher." Mostly students ran outside the classroom and started poking each other's. "Would you like to go outside in the schoolyard?" "Yes, that's a very great idea. Let's go. I'd rather have snake. I'm very hungry." And the other side, "What's your favorite subject?" "My favorite subject is science. And what's about you?" "I love English very much. I really like math. It's so awesome." Bedtime is over. Let's go back into the classroom. Class was very dirty. Let's clean the class at first. And students begin to clean. That also talking what class is next. "Sports? Do you like sports?" "Yes, I like, but I like English more. I love to speak English fluently. What about you?" "Sports is okay, but my favorite class is geography. Actually, I enjoy traveling." "What time is it?" "It's 12 o'clock. Let's go to the cafeteria and have a lunch." "Yes, let's go. I'm starving." They went to cafeteria and talking. "How's your lunch, Paul?" "It's delicious. I like rice and pasta very much. What's about you?" "It's great. I have spaghetti. It smells terrific." The bell rang. The school is over. It's time to go home. "Would you like to come over to my place in the afternoon and play cricket?" "Yeah, I would love it. Great. I can't wait. See you later then." If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching. Don't miss it. It's a great opportunity to improve your English. Take your care.